Hello everyone, so it's me Saif and I hope everyone is doing all right. So right now I'll be teaching you one more strategy that I have been using with two of the indicators. This is really simple. We'll make it very quick and very fast about this kind of things. So all you need to know is simple basic steps. All you need to know is the timings, this kind of things, and how we are producing this kind of strategies and this kind of all the availabilities that I am being giving to you. So all you need to do is right now just follow it, just step by step what I'm doing it. But we will be using two indicators as always and with one strategy. So let me show you. So as always, you need to open the pocket option, and by the way, the two indicators that I'll be using is RSI and alligator. So all right, so let's go. RSI, the all the settings you need to keep it in default. Let's go with RSI. Here you don't need to change anything, but make sure you make everything 2px. Here you make sure everything is 2px. All right, and just save it. And the next indicator that we'll be using is alligator. You need to keep it everything as default it is, just the styles also you need to change it with 2px, and this you need to make it red so it will be more feasible for you. And this 2px you make it red, and everything we have turned down to 2px. So step by step I'll be showing you how to open the deals and everything what I have been noticing and mentioning to you. So let's go let's start with a minimal amount that we'll be using, 300. So step by step we'll check the deals. Step by step we check the deals. This is not suitable for us, as you can see. Right now I'll explain also when I open the trade or something. I'll explain also to you that how did I open this trade and how did I make it. So this is the trade, and make sure the expiration time is also 30 seconds, because this kind of strategy works into this way. So let's do it into this way, and here you can see there is a dip. And so the reason I took here also upward trade, right now I'll show you why. Because as you can see, RSI, which was been taken a dip, then went about to the thing. And here, as you can see, all the green, red and blue, which is an alligator, has not been overlapped, and they just went to the above side. The deviation is to the above side, and that is why I took this upward trade right now. And that is the reason. You just need to mention the time also. I checked the time seconds and when it took the dip also, and that is what the reason I just, oh, so 576, this is the right time. This is the right time, guys. So that is what the thing we need to step by step just keep checking it how we need to proceed it. So let's do one more trade right now quickly. Let's change the amount for it is 400, or just maybe make it 500. Yes, so this is the thing, and I'll show you, I'll check it how it is. This seems to be a really a good trade as an upward trade that I showed you right now, as how you can see how the green has been overlapping the red. So of course we'll have an upward trade right now into this kind of situation. That is why I took an upward trade, because as you can see in alligator how the downfall it was been there and how the green line was been below going down to the thing. So that is the reason I took an upward trade into this also, and of course we'll have a profit into this also. And as you can see how we are going step by step, and 960, guys, so it's not a problem. Let's do one more trade and one more deal. So that is what the thing, sometimes the strategy can misplace it into the way, because it's in market, so it fluctuates a lot into a way, but it's not a problem, all the strategies. So let's go and trade it right now. It's to 600. Let's go and trade the thing into 600. So step by step we'll check it for everything as how it has been going. Okay, this also does not suits us, this also is not feasible for us. This also seems to be not feasible for us because of the overlapping of the blue line. By the way, guys, all the links have been down given below for my YouTube, for my VIP channels and everything, which I have been sharing on online. So all you need to do is just go down to the link, click down there below, and all the signals and all the AI boards and everything which I have been providing for you, all the guys that you have been connecting with me will be provided here. So let's do one more trade right now and just finish up this session today for a small strategy. So let's go Let's check which of the thing will be into a way. This year was been a spike and how it has been gone. So let's take a downward trade also here, because as you can see how the green and the red line and the blue line has been overlapping and going to the downward side, and how the RSI has been stable. So that's why I took a downward trade here also. So this is the thing, I need to find many of the kind of perfect situation for the both of the strategies. Many of the times, maybe if the market is really fluctuating, maybe we don't know it, and sometimes the two indicators, if you know really well into a way, so you need to have this kind of things and a kind of acumen into a way. So 1152 plus, guys, so that is what the thing. So it was a really right time, right choice and everything. So I hope you like this video, and I hope that everyone is having the fine of the best of the health. So all you need to do is remember, click down to my link and everything to the YouTube. I'll see you there. Thank you so much.